What happens when you think of your people as the architects of your transformation, rather than simply the implementers? It means that they are driving the design as well as the delivery. That may sound like simple wordplay, but actually, it reflects the nature of organizational transformation as something that involves employees, partners, and other stakeholders as individuals with agency, rather than pawns on a chessboard. It also means that you need to work on engagement, because they need to be motivated to transform, and their alignment, because how they behave will shape the culture of what you are creating. You need to think about their capability and their learning agility, because transformation invariably introduces many brand new skills to the workforce, and you need to understand their readiness for change. Finally, since you want the process and the outcomes to be sustainable, you need to focus on their well-being and their resilience. Transformation may be inspirational at times, but it will also be demanding, frustrating, and frightening. As a starting point for all of this activity, we use human-centric data, a simple and intuitive process of capturing and sharing small amounts of data at the end of every progress meeting, on the team's feelings, beliefs, and perceptions. If you want your people to feel in control of the transformation, then human-centric data gives them what they need to continually sense-check where you are and where you are going. It's an anonymous process that is entirely transparent for the team and gives them a cycle for collectively reporting, reflecting, agreeing, and acting, as well as a psychologically safe environment in which they can share fears and concerns. The 6 or 7 ratings you gather at each meeting are tailored to the team's priorities. You'll start with a snapshot, and then as the meetings progress, you'll quickly build up a picture of the trends. By adding in specific one-off ratings, you can overlay the team's data with information on their preferred working style or explore gender differences in responses or attitudes. Over time, you can also swap out some of the original ratings to reflect new priorities as the team learns more about themselves and the transformation. Human-centric data is both quantitative and qualitative. That means it provides hard figures and trends that you can export to and reflect in your dashboard alongside traditional metrics. It is real-time and continual, which means you can see the impact of change on the team and the project as they happen. And it enables you to capture the kind of weak signals which AI will always struggle to identify, and thus anticipate potential problems well before they start to show on any project controls reports. Talk to us about setting up a one-off set of ratings for your transformation to learn how the process works and allow your team to experience this for themselves.